Months of study, sleepless nights, and now MRCOG exam day is finally here. But what really happens? The ID checks, the security, the surprises inside the hall, and the mistakes you can't afford to make. Hi, I'm Dr. Sana Ansari. Welcome back to my channel. I have been there, I've done it, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes so your exam day feels like a deja vu in the best possible way. So the night before the exam, you'll want to read just one more topic. Don't. Trust me, your brain needs sleep more than another chapter on endometriosis. Pack your bag the night before. The important things to keep are two IDs. For example, you can keep your passport and Aadhaar. The name on your IDs should match your exam booking name. Take a printout of your exam confirmation email. Keep water bottle, lunch. Carry a light sweater because exam halls can be a little chilly. Choose your exam outfit. It should be comfortable. Don't wear any heavy accessories. Don't wear watches, they're not allowed inside the exam. Now the morning of the exam, wake up early at least 2 hours before you plan to leave home. In the breakfast, avoid heavy greasy meals. Opt for slow release energy food, oats, eggs, banana. Check you have everything from your bag checklist. Plan to reach at least an hour before. Consider traffic, public transport delays. Now once you have reached the exam center, there will be a security check-in. They'll check your IDs. They'll take a digital photo, electronic signature and fingerprint scan. They'll assign you lockers where you can keep your personal items like you can keep your bag, your phone, watches. The allowed items inside the exam hall is just your ID and the locker key, or if you have any health issues you can take emergency medicines. Then the staff will give you a rough sheet and a pen for making calculations or making notes during the exam. They'll escort you to your computer seat. One important tip, visit the restroom before starting because these breaks they count. Now once you have seated, you will see a computer screen in front of you. They'll give you noise cancellation headphones. There'll be an on-screen tutorial before starting the exam. Now once the exam has started, you can start with the questions one by one. Use the flag for review option wisely. Don't over flag. My personal rule, not more than 15 to 20 flagged questions, otherwise you'll panic at the end. Read questions very carefully. You are given 1 hour break time, but that is also optional. You can eat, hydrate and stretch yourself during that time. Avoid overhearing other candidate question discussions. It creates unnecessary stress. Once it's over, it's over. Don't let somebody else's panic become yours. Now in the last 15 minutes, review your flagged questions. Don't reread everything. When clock hits 0, system automatically submits your paper. The staff will guide you out of the exam hall. You can collect your belongings from the locker and walk out. That's it. You survived your MRCOG exam day. Remember, by the time you reach your exam day, the hardest work is already behind you. All that's left is to show up, breathe and trust yourself. So let me know in the comments which part of MRCOG exam day makes you most nervous. Thank you.